I'm Marianne Binetti, and today we're going to talk about new construction where they have these outlet pipes. Now, outlet pipes are, when they're building new homes now, they allow the excess water from heat pumps, from hot water heaters, from plumbing to slowly leak outside the house, which is a good thing. But what it does, it allows the slow drip, drip, drip of water outside the house, and this is where gardening comes in mind. You want to plant something that absorbs the moisture. Now this is a beautiful crested surf Japanese painted fern. And what this does is it loves that moisture, so I'm going to add that right near the outlet where the water is constantly dripping. So I'm going to just break that up a little bit. I even has this moss growing on here, which tells me this has been a well-watered fern. It loves the mossiness and the moisture, so it's really going to like growing right here next to this drip, drip, drip. Now I did one more thing. The drip, 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 I put a boulder right underneath the outlet pipe. That way the water hits the rock and it trickles nicely into the plant. So, just one solution. If you have new construction, you have these outlet pipes, plant something like a fern that loves and absorbs the moisture. This has been Marianne Binetti with easy answers for great gardens.
If you enjoyed these gardening tips, subscribe to our channel so you can get updates on new videos and stay in the know about all things gardening. Click the red subscribe button below. See the description below for more information about how to connect with us on PlantersPlace.com, Facebook, and Instagram.